Welcome to El Nido! Okay, this is George. I'm out here at, what's the name of this beach?
Payong Beach.
Payong Beach here in El Nido, Palawan. And our tour guide for the week is right here, and his name is
Ivan.
Ivan, but he likes to be called Baby. So make sure you call him Baby, and he'll really love you for that. So, reason I have him on today is because I want him to tell us about El Nido, things that we might not know, such as prices and trikes and just things that the common person that came here to visit would not know. So I'm going to turn it over to him, let him talk to you a few minutes, and go from there.
Yeah. So about that, the fare from the tricycle, right? This tricycle, like from a main proper of El Nido going to Las Cabanas. That's like not per kilometer or something. It's like from destination, every destination distance. So from El Nido to Las Cabanas or McDonald's, like 150 pesos. From El Nido to going to the other places far from north, it's like 1,500 pesos for the one tricycle. But in the other, let's talk about tour. So the tour is 1,200 for the tour A, not included of 200 pesos for the lagoon. And if you are doing for the first day, like 200 pesos for the environmental fee. So tour A for it's like 1,200 pesos, and the tour B 1,300 pesos, and the tour C 1,400 pesos, and then the tour D is 1,300 pesos. What's in the tour A? So the tour A, so it's about itinerary in tour A. So the first one is Big Lagoon, but it depends on the tour guide. They choose like the first one, like. But for us, we choose first tour A, Big Lagoon, followed by Circuit Lagoon, Shimizu Island, or Payong Beach. So that's where am I now. And then the last one is Seven Commando or Papaya Beach, or it depends on the situation.
And that's our tour today.
Yes.
And we did previously in the week, we did tour B.
Yeah, tour B.
And then we did
tour C.
C.
The last 2 days.
I really like tour B. You probably know why I like tour B, even though it's not popular like A and C. Why did I like tour B?
Because it's not crowded.
There you
Place
go.
is like 2 boats, 3 boats in one place, like that. So not the people is not so busy. Like the other tour, like tour C yesterday, and then tour A today. Not much people.
So what else can you tell me? It's starting to rain, but that's okay. We're getting wet anyway. So what else can you tell me that a tourist might want to know that comes here that might be hard for them to find out? They're just reading online or something, going to check things out. What would you want to tell someone that's coming here that they might not know?
Okay.
Anything?
So for the tourists, if you want to come in here, so please known about El Nido, check on Google or something, but sometimes different from the Google and then the El Nido. Sometimes different. So just come in here and see the beauty of El Nido. That's it.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate your time. Thank you. I think everybody will like your information, and I really thank you. We enjoyed our 3 days of tours with you. Very good tour guide. So come see Baby when you're in El Nido.
Find me.
And the company is called David John Travel and Tours. David, George, and Vhan Vhan.